Dr. Montessori believed that when the mind and the hands and the body were working in unison, that very powerful learning could occur. And with our hands, we are exploring our environment. The more we are able to explore, the more we are able to absorb. And this is growing our intelligence. With our hands and our mind working together, we come to a state of concentration. And in concentration, not only do we feel this sense of centeredness and peace, but we are arriving for the child at these moments of normalization, or that return to that natural path of development. The first plane child is also moving through that sensitive period for movement, which is driving them to imitate the movement that they're observing from both children and adults. And through this imitation, they are repeating the actions that they're seeing. They're arriving at some exactness and self-perfection. Imitation is nature's way of helping us coordinate our movements. I also want to bring up something called mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are a subset of motor command neurons. And the way they operate is mirror neurons fire when we see someone else performing an action. They fire in the same way that other neurons fire when we are actually performing that action. For example, have you ever watched an exercise video and began to feel a little tired? These are your mirror neurons firing. Their purpose here is helping the child to internalize movement that they observe before they even create the movement. We can see now how important it is for a child to be not only exposed to movement, to be allowed to move, but to observe movement in order for them to be able to create the movement they need to explore their world and grow their independence.